Welcome back. I'm Chef Shawana Kennedy, and today we're putting a healthy twist on a classic comfort food, mac and cheese, with the secret ingredient, cauliflower. Let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 1 pound of whole wheat pasta, 2 cups of cauliflower chopped, 1 cup of low-fat cheese, 1.5 cups of low-fat milk, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we'll also need 8 to 9 cups of water for boiling. Now that we have everything prepped, let's get started. First, we'll bring about 6 cups of water to a boil in a large pot. Adding salt to the water is optional. While it can enhance the flavor, skipping it helps keep sodium levels lower. Once boiling, we'll add the pasta and cook until al dente. That's about 8 minutes. This means that the pasta should not be crunchy or undercooked. For extra protein and fiber, try using whole wheat or protein-packed pasta, like chickpea or lentil-based varieties. Drain the pasta and set aside, saving a little of the pasta water to adjust the thickness of the sauce later if needed. In the same pot, bring 2 to 3 cups of water to a boil and then add the cauliflower. We'll cook about 4 minutes until it's tender, and then we'll drain. We're then going to transfer the cooked cauliflower to a blender. We'll add milk and garlic powder, not garlic salt, and blend until it's smooth. Using garlic powder instead of garlic salt helps you control the sodium in the recipe. Now in a pan, we'll heat olive oil and whisk in the flour to create a roux, which will help thicken our sauce. Be careful not to burn it, so you'll have to continually whisk it. If the whisk looks too dry, add a little more oil to keep it smooth. Next, we gradually add milk, whisking constantly until the mixture bubbles and thickens. I'm now going to stir in our mixture, our cauliflower mixture. Look how nice and creamy that looks. Now we're going to remove it from the heat and we're going to fold in our cooked pasta. Remember, if the sauce looks too thick, we can use that reserved pasta water that we saved from earlier to give this a more creamy texture. You can pair this dish with a simple side salad, and the salad can be made up of leafy greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a homemade dressing using olive oil and vinegar. Additionally, you can finish with a naturally sweet treat. Try apple slices sprinkled with cinnamon for a healthy end to your meal. And just like that, our cauliflower mac and cheese is ready to serve. Who knew that a few intentional tweaks to our mac and cheese could turn into a dish that's both delicious and nutritious? Pairing it with a side of fresh fruit or swapping the pasta for a protein-packed alternative like chickpea or lentil pasta creates a well-balanced meal, full of flavor, nourishing your health, and perfect for the whole family to enjoy. By choosing fresh ingredients, using low-sodium cooking techniques, and following proper food safety practices, you can create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. See you next time for more fresh, healthy cooking ideas. Take care and happy cooking.